When she was born in May 2021, her parents noticed that her eyes looked different.
Her eyes are blue. I remember the first question I was asking, like, does she have any eyes? What's her problem?
Over the next days and weeks, they searched for answers. Doctors told them it was a serious problem with the cornea, the clear front part of the eye that focuses light.
We went for many doctors. They said no, it's cornea issue.
The doctors in Yemen, they told us that there is a well-known institute in India, which is Prasad, and they referred us to India. We met Dr. Murundan, who was like, for me, he was a gift from God.
At around 3 months of age, she was examined at LV Prasad Eye Institute in Hyderabad, India.
This child in question presented with a bilateral sclerocornea. Right eye was much more severely involved than a left eye. Hence, right eye we could not offer any surgical intervention.
Sclerocornea is a rare condition where the clear cornea becomes opaque and blends with the white part of the eye. It can severely limit vision from birth and is often difficult to treat surgically.
The doctor explained the problem, and he told us that it's better for us to wait when she's like 4 or 6 months to do the surgery for the left eye. But he told us that the right eye, because there is no hope in it because of the optic nerve, which is not functioning, it's better not to do any surgery. And in the future, if she has another problem, then he will put an artificial eye. She's very young. And he used always to tell us that the hope is only in one eye.
Working closely with the family, the team at LVPEI developed a plan for the left eye, where there was still a possibility of useful vision.
Left eye, after a careful investigations, we were able to delineate all structures in eye, including iris, pupil, lens, retina, and the child was able to appreciate, light. So hence, we made a decision to, go for a penetrating keratoplasty. What we did is, we repurposed. Along with the cornea, we also included a donor corneal epithelial limbus. So along with the surgery, we also, used a specialized contact lens, stitching the eyelids, a part of it. That helps in healing, minimizing complications. Post-operatively also, we put child on both topical and systemic immunomodulators after obtaining a pediatric clearance.
In simple terms, the surgeons transplanted a clear cornea from a donor and at the same time transplanted stem cells from the donor's limbal area. These stem cells help the surface of the eye stay clear and stable over time.
So traditionally, when we do keratoplasty in such eyes with a sclerocornea, they don't do well. The reason behind, they do not have stem cells. It helps renewing the skin-like layer on the cornea. Secondly, they have a fluid blood vessels that results in immune sensitization and end up having a irreversible rejection, end up having a graft failure. By doing, the specialized approach along with the immunosuppression, we have seen experience our results. The graft survival has jumped to 84% up to 5 years. Meaning, our goal is, taken care. If we are able to maintain in a majority of the cases graft clear for the first 5 years, as a surgeon, as a parents, we have achieved our target by stimulating the child's brain.
The next visit for us to India, we did the regular checkup. So her eye, he said that this is the right time and the success rates are higher. So it's better to do the surgery now.
Now, at 3 years of age, her surgery was scheduled.
This was 30th of July. The next day, when he removed the patches and she was able to see, the first thing was the fingers of the doctor who used to wave for her, and she was able to detect that these are his fingers and she touched them.
That simple moment, recognizing a hand, reaching out to touch it, marked a turning point for the family.
she was able to recognize better things. I mean, I felt the happiness, though she didn't say, but I felt she was happy to recognize so many things. Before, I used to see that she can see, but now, after the surgery, no, now she can see.
Even a failed corneal graft have a much better transparency than actual sclerocornea that enable child to navigate, move around, do day-to-day activities independently. So we always have a window of opportunity to revisit and reintervene, perform a same surgery again.
In early childhood, the brain is especially adaptable. Meaningful visual experience during these years can help children build visual pathways that support better functioning later in life, even if the eye needs further treatment. For her parents, the difference is not just on medical charts.
I want to very thank this donor, and I don't know who is he, but I'm thanking him too much, and he bring the life to my daughter.
Behind every corneal transplant is a donor and a family who chose to pass on the gift of sight. Their decision changes the course of another child's life.